The National Instruments PCI-6013 is a low-cost, 16-bit, 200 kilosample per second multifunction DAC. This model offers 8 digital input-output lines and 2 24-bit counters. It is designed to sustain counter timer and digital operations together in parallel with AI operations, and is useful for applications where analog outputs are required. The PCI-6013 comes equipped with an SESI2 type, 68-pin male I/O connector. The 2 counters incorporated in this module offer buffered operations, 100 parts per million time-based stability, pulse generation, and TTL logic levels, with a maximum range of 0 volts, 5 volts. This model provides 16 single-ended or 8 differential analog input channels, with 200 kilosamples per second maximum achievable sample rate, 10 volts maximum voltage, negative 10 volts to 10 volts maximum voltage range, negative 20 millivolts to 50 millivolts minimum voltage range, and a 16-bit resolution. The device also has a DC input coupling. The PCI-6013 comes with an onboard memory capable of storing 512 samples, with a configuration memory size of 512 words. The device has a scatter-gather DMA controller mode, which facilitates the transfer of data to and from multiple memory areas in a single DMA transaction. This DAC comes in the PCI form factor, is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and supports LabVIEW real-time as well. The 8 digital I/Os of this multifunction DAC are software-timed bi-directional channels, compatible with TTL logic levels. The digital I/O can handle syncing, as well as sourcing inputs and output current flow. The analog outputs of this module offer 2 mA current drive signal, while the digital I/O offer 24 mA current drive signal. In its standard configuration, it is offered with 1 connector block, 1 cable, and software. The device has a recommended warm-up time of 15 minutes, with a power requirement of positive 5 volts DC to 0.7 amps. Here are some common questions about the PCI-6013. What type of 5-volt protection does the PCI-6013 have? The PCI-6013 has 5-volt lines equipped with a self-resetting fuse. What is the maximum voltage range for the PCI-6013? The maximum voltage range for the PCI-6013 is negative 10 volts, 10 volts. What does the PCI-6013 require for operation? The PCI-6013 requires a connector block, a shielded cable, and software. Which type of ADC does the PCI-6013 have? The PCI-6013 has a successive approximation ADC. What version of NI DAC must I have to use the PCI-6013? The PCI-6013 requires NI DAC version 6.9.3 or later. This concludes our overview of the PCI-6013. Need more information on the PCI-6013 or any other National Instruments products? Feel free to drop a comment below, or contact us directly at sales@apexwaves.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.